friend, I am Shubham. In this tutorial we are going to discuss computer network and security. In this upcoming course we are going to discuss network and networking, then topologies, then OSI model, transmission media, networking devices, then the wireless networking, wired networking, network thread, troubleshooting, remote desktop connection. What is communication? We all know communication are the sharing of the information, and in terms of computer, communication means sharing the software, sharing files, sharing information, sharing data, and provide security to it. These are nothing but the computer networks. Its specific definition is computer networks is the when two or more computers are linked in order to share files. It may be linked with through the cables, telephone wires, microwave waves, radio waves, infrared light, or optical fiber, etc. This is the best example of network. This is the internet service provider through which we are getting the internet service. This is our our PCs, our phone, which can be connected to the router through the cable or through the wireless, through Bluetooth network. This example shows this computer is connected through the cable, this laptop is connected through the wireless, mobile is also connected through the wireless, etc. etc. What are the basic types of network or the network topologies? These are the first one is local area network, which is abbreviated as LAN. Next, personal area network, PAN. Metropolitan area network, MAN. Wide area network, WAN. Campus area network, CAN. Or last is storage area network, SAN. First discuss what is local area network. In local area networks, computers are connected suppose in office or in college. The distance is up to the 1 kilometer, and it's provide the speed of 10 Mbps to 10 gigabits per second. We can connect it in the college or campus or building or room. These are the local area network. This computer may be connected to twisted pair, then fiber optics, etc. etc. Next is the personal area network. As the name suggests, it is used for only personal use, means in the home. It provides the speed of 10 MB per second to 10 gigabits per second. It also provides security to us. If you use more number of firewalls, then security will be added. Its cost as compared to the metropolitan area network and wide area network is low. Next is the metropolitan area network. What is metropolitan area network? Means it cover a distance between 5 and 50 km of the diameter. Means it's cover distance of one big city. Suppose one office is there of any company and they are having different branches in the cities, then the network of that company is connected through the metropolitan area network. Last is wide area network. When number of local area network are connected together, we give wide area network. It is having continuity up to the planet. It having range up to the 1000 or 10,000 kilometer. Our internet is also provided by wide area network. Wide area network is two or more LAN connected together. Here, to cover a great distance, wide area network may transmit data over less high speed phone lines or wireless such as satellites, etc., or through optical fiber cables, etc. Last one is the campus area network. As the name suggests, is used for colleges or office, etc. Its advantages having it is cost effective, We can use it as wireless through routers. Then the multi-departmental network access, we can use different department, etc. Thank you.